welcome to my channel. This is Rispa's Kitchen. I'm so elated to have you here today. So we are making cheese scones and they are super easy to make. They take about 20 minutes preparation time. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to it like right now, please. Thank you so much. If you like this video, at the end of it all, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Welcome. So the first thing that you do as you prepare the ingredients is to preheat your oven. So I've just done that. So now you will have to grease your baking tray using some margarine. Okay, now to our ingredients. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use 1 tablespoon if you are not a fan of too much sugar. Then we have about 1.5 tablespoons of margarine. We have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 beaten egg, 200 ml of milk. You can use water instead. And then we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In case you are using the self-rising flour, you won't need the baking powder. So the next step, we are going to mix the sugar with the milk. So once that is done, we are going to mix the baking powder and the all-purpose flour together. Then next we are going to add the margarine. So we are going to do this until it has a sandy-like texture. So we've already achieved that, as you can see. Then now make a well at the center. And then gradually add your milk as you start kneading. So I've just transferred it on a flat surface. It's easier to knead here. Ensure that the surface is clean. So now once we are done, we are going to roll it. We are rolling it to about 1 centimeter thickness. Like that. So now if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can improvise using something like this, a glass. You just make the round shapes that way. Let me show you the thickness that we were talking about. This. So once you've come up with this, you put it now on the baking tray. For the dough that is remaining, you roll it again. Be careful with this second batch, because if you roll it out so much, it might become thin. So keep up the 1 centimeter thickness in mind. Then you come with your glass again, like that. So I've made all my pieces. So the next thing, we are going to egg wash. And remember to beat your egg. Mine is already beaten, so let's egg wash them. So you should be careful enough so that the egg does not drip on these other sides of the tray. So you egg wash one by one like that. So now my temperature is about 200 degrees. So that's what we will use. and set our timer about 20 to 15 minutes. So here we go. We are almost halfway now, and remember, at this stage you should not open your oven. A few seconds left, and you can see they are browned. I can't wait to open this. Yes, it's done now. Wow. This is what we wanted. So let's check if they are well cooked through. Still very hot, so I can't taste. You see? It's well cooked. So I made this for tomorrow's breakfast, but I'm not sure if they will survive this night. But let me see. After all, they are so easy to make. I can always do that in the morning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you so much. Until next time, let's keep it Rizpa's Kitchen. Bye.